Hi everyone, this is a basic demo demonstrating how to load data from Excel into MySQL or MariaDB database. Our software works correctly with Excel all the time because we don't use ADBC or ADB providers. We work with Excel directly. I have already created a source directory connection and also created a connection for MariaDB database. Let's start from creating new transformation. Let's call it Excel to MySQL. Delete the validator because we don't need it. So our reader type is Excel and connection name is data. File name is people. We can load data from sheets, tables, or ranges. We can even specify mask, and we can also specify mask for files. So let's reformat it slightly. It is quite a large file. And set the field names. So we are taking them from line number 1. We're also skipping this line because we don't need it. Let's set writer properties. So our data target type is MySQL. Connection name is demo. And table name is people. Let's map the data. Can use handy automa function. Or we can do it manually. Let's try loading the data. All we need to do is to press green arrow. It might fail. It's reading the data from Excel file. It's not failing. All done, and we loaded 100,000 records in 12 seconds with a performance more than 8,000 records per second. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please post them on our support forum and we'll do our best to help you.